Namaskar and welcome. You're watching The Awaz and I am Janvi Parik with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami started mobile vans for the people of nomadic community with temporary migration. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is working hard to make Uttarakhand a corona-free state. The minister has been putting continuous efforts for providing necessary belongings and medications to the needy ones. For the relief and comfort of people, Dhami today took a great step towards the weaker section of the society by distributing ration kits and masks for the homeless, launched the vaccination program and started mobile vans for the people. Dhami tweeted, "Taking every section along with us in the state is our biggest priority. In addition to distributing ration kits and masks for the homeless, launched the vaccination program and started mobile vans for the people of nomadic community with temporary migration." Uttarakhand CM Dhami felicitates hockey player Vandana Kataria. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on Thursday felicitated hockey player Vandana Kataria at her residence in Haridwar over her performance in Tokyo Olympics. He also handed over a check of rupees 25 lakh to Vandana Kataria. Congratulating Kataria on her stupendous feat, Dhami called Kataria Uttarakhand's pride and said as a part of the Indian women's hockey team for more than a decade, she has made everyone proud through her hard work and dedication. Uttarakhand reported 24 COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours. A sign of relief in COVID-19 is coming from Uttarakhand as the state only recorded 24 COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours. The State Health Department reported only 24 new cases of the novel coronavirus and 37 recoveries from the disease in Uttarakhand. No death from the disease was reported in the state on the day. The cumulative count of COVID-19 patients in the state is now at 3,42,526, while a total of 3,28,695 patients have recovered from the disease so far. Directions given by Uttarakhand Governor for the early implementation of women-related schemes. Uttarakhand Governor Baby Rani Maurya on Wednesday gave directions to the Additional Executive Officer of the National Livelihood Mission for effective implementation of economic empowerment-related schemes for women in the state. She said women self-help group should be given training according to the demands and markets. Schemes and programs should be reviewed to make women self-dependent along with extending the schemes of the National Rural Livelihood Mission. Uttarakhand STF arrested 2 cyber thugs from Pune, blown 10 lakh as fake officers. Uttarakhand STF police has arrested 2 accused who cheated by getting online access from the account of common people by posing as bank officers from Maharashtra. Let us tell you that the account was accessed online by both these accused from Dehradun resident Yaduvir Singh by becoming the customer care officers of Axis Bank, talking about resetting the internet password of the plaintiff, and took a loan of about 10 lakh rupees from his account and transferred it to his account. Uttarakhand STF police searched in many places including Jamtara, Devgarh in search of the criminals, but after getting information from the informer, Uttarakhand STF police arrested both the accused from Kolhapuri Kata Lodge in Pune. At present, the police is busy interrogating both the accused. Thank you. Keep watching The Awaz for the latest updates.